I am Rachel Lee from KIS, and I'm currently doing my Earth Week pledge, and this is my first day. Today is April 20th, Friday, and I want to show you that I kept my first day's pledge, which was to pack lunch, snacks, and beverages in a plastic container to save all the trash and waste by using other stuff like foil or just paper or plastic bags. So I'll show you where I packed my lunch today. So if you open my bag, this is my lunch box, and here I packed a bagel, and so it's divided into like these containers, and you can just wash it and use it again. And I frequently use these, but since it's Earth Week, I'll be using it for the next 8 days. And another thing is, rather than packing bananas, which are my snack, in plastic bags, I put them in these plastic containers, which protect them from getting mushed. And last but not least, I packed water in a plastic bottle so that I don't use up those, they're plastic too, but I can just wash them, use it again, so that I don't waste plastic and throw away those bottles. So yeah, I kept my first day's pledge. I packed lunch in a plastic reusable container so that I don't throw them away, and I can use them for the next 8 days and even more. Okay, so I think it was a very efficient day, and I hope all of you keep your Earth Day's pledge. Thank you.